Alright guys, so we are setting up for Horror for the Holidays. We just ran into Goth Gloom, getting their bubble tube set up. Curiosities, this is such a cool photo op over here. Check this out. We got Horror for the Holidays, we got Krampus, we got a skull pile over here. This booth looks amazing. Awesome. Super cool. That's looking good. Everybody's getting their booths going. Still setup time. I'm gonna really look at how these people are setting these booths up, because ours seems super cramped and like you can't really see anything to me. Like, I like this one. This is good. Barely Alive Productions. That looks good. Very cool. All right, so today is still setup day. So here's this. What's that?
We're gonna go and keep that with the safe auction if that's okay with you.
Yeah, that's fine. That's awesome. So they had to do a really cool silent auction here. Lots of prizes that the vendors donate. They've got food, and then there's more vendors there. Some people are still setting up. The doors open in about an hour.
Yeah, I tried.
This is cool. Art with latex. Bloody Rose Boutique. They have a really cool store here, a brick and mortar store here in Austin. Krampus t-shirts. Horror memorabilia. Lots of really good cool stuff. Oh, those are awesome blankets. Super cool. We got jewelry over here. We got Morbid Hooker, Creepy and Cute. Occult Bath and Body. This is awesome. All this orange House of Torment gear. Oh man, that's cool. House of Curiosities. We still got some vendors that aren't here, which is crazy, and it starts really soon. We got Goth Gloom over here. Ooh, I haven't seen y'all's clowns.
Making their debut at this show.
What? You guys need some of my fetal skulls to do some cool fetal skull ones. Just saying.
Right? Just saying.
And you got this whole aisle here. I'm trying to finish setting up, so if I walk through right now, Julie's gonna kill me. Lots of pops here. This looks awesome. We got mugs over here. I actually need a new mug. I might actually see if they can do custom ones. Here's our beautiful setup. It looks pretty freaking awesome. Horror books. John Wayne is dead. He's right next to us. He does horror books, and he's in a punk rock band. What was your punk rock band's name?
John Wayne is dead.
John Wayne is dead. Okay, so it's all John Wayne is dead. Well, that's easy. That makes it easy, right? Cool. Very cool. So that's our neighbor for the show. Got some awesome art here. Cody Shreby. Got Grotesque Anomaly Oddities. Man, there's some stuff I'm gonna want to buy here. Here's the man-eating plant booth. I see this guy at Oddities every year. This stuff is super cool. Blood Over Texas booth. Voodoo's. Horror Junkie. Dark Earth Designs. Horror author t-shirts. More cool art. Evil Santa, digital photo. All right, I better get back before Julie kicks my talking Nani. All right, guys, all set up for Horror for the Holidays. Forgot my business cards and some stickers, so I had to go. I'm in the overflow parking. Oh, it's a really far walk back to the hall, but opens at 11. It is 10:31, and we're all set up. So I'm gonna go try to relax for a little bit, and maybe see if I can walk around, check out some of the vendors a little closer before it starts. Hello.
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 Would you like one?
Yeah. Oh, oh, I gotta be faster. Whoa, yeah.
You don't play fair. You
Yeah.
play dirty. I don't like you.
I got it.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
What is this? Hello, what is it? Are you?